I could really get away with this and say that this is my natural hair, but because it's so long, you know, who has natural hair that long? You feel me? But y'all, this is cute. This is cute. Okay guys, so here is the wig. This is synthetic guys, as you can see. I mean, look at these curls. Now this is 24 inches. It is very long, as you guys can see. And yeah, it's got some clips in there for extra security. Some combs. And it's got an adjustable strap. It is a V-part wig, in case you don't know yet. Alright guys, so when it comes to my hair, I braided most of my hair. It was already braided, as you guys can see, about a week old cornrows. But I took 3 cornrows out, so I had 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the reason why I did it that way is because I want to try a middle part, and I also want to try a side part. Okay, so I think I might go for a side part, but I want to see what the middle part looks like first. Okay, so they have clips in there that you can use, but I have to be honest, I don't like to use the clips because they hurt me. I really don't like clip-on because of that, so yeah. So I only used 1, but maybe if I was to head somewhere, I will use all the clips so it's nice and secured, but right now, I just needed 1. Is it blending, guys? I think it is. Ish. You know what I think would be cute? A side part. So let's do that. This is cute, but it's not giving. It's not giving. It's not looking how I want it to look. You feel me? Okay, I like how this one looks more than the middle part, but it just needs a little tweaking. So I think I'm gonna straighten it, heat protectant or protector, whatever you call it. I know this is like curly, but my hair is a little too frizzy, you feel me? So I think it needs a little straightening so the texture can blend a little bit more. Alright guys, so we've reached the end of today's video. I did tell you guys that a side part would be much better for me. What do you guys think? Do you prefer the middle part or the side part? I love the side part. It just looks more natural, especially with how thick this hair is. You know, it kind of weighs down. It's not heavy, but it looks very thick, and obviously my hair is not as thick as that, so the middle part just wasn't looking right. But I did a side part, and yeah, you guys can see, okay, I ain't gonna say too much. But guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, join this awesome channel, make sure you like the video so more people can discover this video and this channel, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. I will see you in my next video. Bye.